Have you ever had a runny nose or started sneezing around flowers or after petting a cat? That might be an allergy. But wait, what is an allergy? And why do some people have them while others don't? Let's find out together. First, let's talk about your body's superhero team, your immune system. It's like a team of tiny protectors that keeps you safe. These heroes are always on the lookout for things that don't belong, like germs, viruses, and bacteria. But sometimes the immune system gets a little confused. It sees something that's actually harmless, like pollen from flowers, dust, peanuts, or cat fur, and says, "Uh-oh, danger!" So it overreacts. And that's what we call an allergy. Let's look at an example. Imagine your friend is playing outside. The wind blows some pollen into their nose. Their immune system thinks the pollen is a bad guy, so it calls in the defense team. Sneezing, coughing, runny nose, itchy eyes. It's like the body is sounding an alarm. Intruder alert, intruder alert, even though the pollen is actually not dangerous at all. Now, some people have allergies to foods, like milk or peanuts. Their immune system sees the food and says, "Nope, not safe." So their body reacts, sometimes with a rash, a tummy ache, or something more serious. That's why some kids carry special medicine like an EpiPen. It helps their body calm down when an allergy shows up. And how about pets? Some people are allergic to animals like cats and dogs. But it's not their fur that causes trouble. It's actually the tiny bits of skin called dander. Even if you don't see it, your immune system sure can. So why do some people get allergies and others don't? Great question. Scientists believe it has to do with a mix of things. Your genes, that means it can run in families, where you live, and even how much your body has been exposed to certain things when you were little. Scientists are still learning more every day. They're studying why allergies happen and how to treat them better. Some kids even grow out of their allergies as they get older. So remember, allergies are when your body reacts to things that aren't really dangerous. Your immune system is just trying to help, even when it gets a little too excited. And if you or someone you know has allergies, that's okay. Lots of people do, and doctors know how to help. Next time you sneeze around a cat or get itchy eyes in spring, you'll know. It's just your superhero team being a little too careful. And that's it for today's big question, friends. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next adventure. Bye-bye for now.